It's Sarah Curry here. Are you excited about our new self-sign-in station and getting your brand new key fob so you can skip the line? Here's a quick tutorial to show you how it's done. When you walk up to the self-sign-in station, you'll see we've got a scanner right here for you to scan your key fob underneath. Here's the important part. The closer you are to the scanner, the smaller the scanner's beam is, and the farther you pull away, the wider that beam is going to be to give you the greater opportunity. Most of our students' mistakes is they jam the scanner right up in front and they can't figure out why. It just won't read the card. So swipe your hand under the scanner if you need to the first couple of times, find the red beam, and then scan your card from a good safe distance. You'll notice when you look at the screen that you've been signed in for the next class. Once in a while, when we have two classes happening at the same time, you might see an option to choose. So make sure on Saturday morning when you take the 9 a.m. that you choose to put yourself into class instead of childcare.